Alright, y'all, what is going on, man? Another video right now for you guys. Alright, this is some truck shit right now. Let me show y'all something. Y'all see this light right here? This is the diesel particulate filter. Needs to go through a regen cycle right now, man. Let me show you how I do it on this 2009 Freightliner Century. Anyway, you press this button right here. You hold it, and you should see the RPMs. There we go. See how the RPMs starting to go up right now? This shit gets pretty noisy, by the way, y'all. Ooh. It does this cycle for like about maybe 45 to 50 minutes or so, you know. So yeah, that's how you do a regen on the Freightliner Century 2009. If you got a 08, if you got a 2008 to 2010 with an exhaust filter on there, this is how you do it. You just pretty much press this button right here, hold it, and you should see the RPMs go up right about 15 to 16. Now I know exactly on the Cascadias with the Series 60 engine are noisy as hell, just like this. But if you got a Cascadia with a DD15 or a DD13, it's not as loud like this, and you don't hear that noisy ass fan clutch kicking or whatever. So yeah, so you do a regen. Mostly all these damn diesels got to go through this goddamn regen cycle, from those Kenworths to those Peterbilts, and even those piece of shit as Internationals right there, or far by the worst with the emissions control system on there. But yeah, y'all, so you do a regen or whatever. Don't forget to do all that YouTube stuff, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell, be notified, and till then on the next video, peace.